Have you ever wondered why cutting onions makes you cry? Inside each onion are cells filled with special compounds called amino acid sulfoxides. When you chop or slice into an onion, you rupture these cells, causing the sulfoxides to mix with enzymes that convert them into syn-propanethyl S-oxide. This compound is volatile, meaning it easily turns into a gas, and it wafts up into the air. When it reaches your eyes, it reacts with the natural moisture present, forming a weak sulfuric acid. Your eyes detect this acid as an irritant, triggering a defense mechanism to flush it out. This defense mechanism is why you end up shedding tears. If you want to reduce the crying effect when chopping onions, there are a few tricks you can try. One method is to chill the onion in the refrigerator before cutting. Cold temperatures slow down the release of the volatile compounds, giving you a bit more time to finish chopping before the irritation sets in. Another helpful tip is to cut onions under running water or submerged in a bowl of water. This helps to wash away the gas before it reaches your eyes. Additionally, cooking onions can break down the compounds responsible for the tears. So once they're cooked, you're less likely to experience crying when enjoying your meal. These simple techniques can make the onion chopping experience much more pleasant. So the next time you find yourself tearing up while cutting onions, remember it's all due to a fascinating chemical reaction. By using these handy tips like chilling your onions, cutting them underwater, or simply cooking them, you can make onion prepping a tear-free experience. Now go ahead and enjoy those delicious onions in your favorite recipes without worrying about your irritated eyes.